Hi again. In this part, we're just gonna quickly cover about SQL Plus. SQL Plus is a command line tool which we encountered already when we created a connection towards the database, just for the test purpose, and when we unlocked the HR schema. With SQL Plus, we can execute all of the commands, all of the SQL we want. It's a good DBA tool to unlock the accounts as we already showed. Good thing to mention is that the exam does not specifically go to the SQL Plus knowledge or the SQL developer knowledge. Only tests your SQL language knowledge. And that's it. The actual application sits inside your Oracle database installation. It's in the bin folder of your database installation. And it sits with the name SQLPlus.x, which is the executable. We can directly run it if we want, and there we go. It is already started in the command line. For the test purpose, we can connect to the HR schema, which is again AR at XEPDB1. And password is HR as we set up in the previous lectures. There we go. We are connected. The SQL Plus is directly accessible from the command line or PowerShell. For example, if I run the command prompt and I type SQL Plus, it should go directly to it, right? In some cases, this does not happen, as environment variables under Windows are not correctly set up. We can fix that by following next steps. We open up the system environment variables and go to the environment variables. Under the path, we go to the edit, and we should have the path set to the bin folder of our database installation. If you do not have that set up, you can add a new entry and enter the folder of the bin folder of your database installation. Another thing just to mention is that SQL Plus comes together with every Oracle database installation, so you do not have to worry to download it from some resource. That's it. See you in the next one.